I just came from visiting a very nice couple, retired real estate people from the UK. Lived a few years down in Florida, and now they're back at their place in Ontario, Canada. He'd had three different people in, giving him three different ways of looking at things. But what I found out is nobody really took the time to explain how things work. They didn't really have a clear understanding of how heat pumps worked. They didn't understand the difference between an air conditioner and a heat pump. They also didn't understand the size of a furnace, and in this case, a natural gas furnace and its output, compared to what it would take if they wanted to heat their home with a heat pump. They were told, and this is a term that always gets me, always watch out for when somebody says this is more efficient. More efficient doesn't mean the same thing as costing less to operate. And that's where all of the people that have been talking about heat pumps have been justifying using a heat pump in place of a furnace. Now, I could go either way on it, but if you're only looking at which one's going to cost you less, and you have the availability of natural gas, pretty much anywhere in North America, it's going to cost you less to heat your home with natural gas than it will with electricity through a heat pump. The efficiency of something and the cost to operate something. I made that very clear with these people. They now understand, and they understand that where they live and that they have natural gas, that they should not be trying to heat that house with a heat pump when they have natural gas. And they have a new natural gas furnace anyway that's working beautifully. You just have to understand what the options are so that you can make a very informed decision. Make sure you're comfortable and that you're saving as much energy as you can, but still covering everything that you needed to do. Stay tuned.